Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng entrance. Hello, everybody. My name is Tony Lemon for Pageant Cafe. This is one of the blogs for the travel episode. And I travel a lot. It's a passion for me. When I was a kid, lagi akong nawawala. And my mother always go to the police station to claim me. So when I was a kid, I would always roam around, and sometimes I cannot go back to my mom or my dad or my family or whatever happened to them. So I just go to the policeman and ask them to bring me to the police station because my mom will pick me up. So I have wings on my feet, so I really love to travel. I don't know. I'm just inquisitive. About 2 months ago, to attend to the Miss Universe pageant Philippines, I made a side trip for Singapore, and I got this one. It's Gardens by the Bay. Refrigerator magnet. I collect refrigerator magnets, but the only rule for me, I should have been there to that place and buy the item on that place. I like ref magnets because they're so easy, they're so cheap, and I find them so beautiful. I buy like 20 or 25 for each place I go. So this is the video I've made. So I have to find space for this on my refrigerator. And so let's watch the video. So I bought this Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. I've been to Singapore several times already, so we have to put it in my refrigerator. There's the refrigerator. So the number one rule here is I have to put a refrigerator magnet that I have been to that place. So I have to buy it from the place. Hindi pwedeng ibigay lang sa akin. So there's Taiwan, Disney, Phuket, Thailand, and what is this? Thailand, BKK, Walt Disney. This is in California. I've been to Japan once. What else? Los Angeles, California. I've been to Florida, Hawaii, and Guam. And this is one of my favorites, the orangutan from the zoo. And of course, one of my favorite places is Boracay. I've been to the Mount Rushmore and of course, Alaska on a cruise, one of the best things. This is Lake Tahoe, it's cute. And this is in San Antonio, Texas. This is Red Rock Canyon. I've been to Idlewild, and this is one of my favorite refrigerator magnet because it's like a jigsaw puzzle. This is from Italy, and this is Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And this is Verona, Italy, and of course, the Grand Old Lady. And I brought this in the Louvre Museum to meet her mom, the original, Madonna, not Madonna, Mona Lisa. Okay. Of course, this is from Italy. Oh, this is one, I like this place too, 100 Islands. Switzerland, Arizona, and one of the best places that I really like too is Malaysia. And these are the Twin Towers. This is from Italy to Venetia. Where else? I've been to the Queen. This is a the British magnet with the double decker and the guard, the eye, and the Big Ben. Where is this? Oh, this is in Mexico. Ensenada la Bafudara. I'm sorry, I forgot. It is where the water splashes against and it creates a sound. It's like the snout of a whale. And of course, my beautiful lady, Frida, and Malaysia again. I also have Villa Escudero. I love the way you eat your buffet there. It's the waterfalls and it passes through your feet while you're eating. This is NASA Endeavor. Been there too. Where else? Oh, this is Taiwan. Of course, Niagara Falls. I think 3 times. Bohol, Philippines again. Lake Tahoe. Of course, Paris. This is Nassau, Bahamas. I went there for a cruise. And Orlando, Florida. Of course, Singapore. Oh, the Singapore is here. So, we're gonna take this one out because it's so ordinary. And this one looks awesome. Yan, ganda. Of course, from Italy, Red Canyon. Ayan, Seattle. And of course, Virginia City in Nevada. Arizona, we went to the Sunset Crater volcano. And of course here, Vietnam. Where else? What is this? Oh, Florida, Disneyland. And this is where? Oh, I went also to Angkor Wat, Cambodia. That's one of my wish lists. So I've done that. Where else did we go? We went to the Museum Abraham Lincoln. Of course, Paris, Texas. Of course, Hollywood is where I live. Wyoming. Also went to Shanghai during the opening of Disneyland. Of course, the famous Mammoth Mountain, Mammoth Resort. My God, very expensive. It's in California. Where is this? Okay, it's in Italy, Venice. In this. Where is this? Oh, Florida. Okay, ang dami kong Florida. Oh, this one's cute. I've been here. It's where the aliens went to. In New Mexico. They said aliens landed there before. So. And I've also been to Atlantis in Bahamas. Beautiful resort. It wasn't expensive. It was given for free. So, we have to say goodbye to you. Oh, we'll transfer you at the side. Actually, puno na rin yung side ko eh. Alaska. What is that bridge? In Nevada. Oh, this is in Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. Of course, Alaska, Niagara. Of course, I've been to SeaWorld several times. I had a 1-year membership. Ooh, I love Cambodia. I wish to go back there with my husband. Puro Cambodia na ata rito. Wala na bang iba? Oh, this one. This is the Batu Caves in Malaysia. Very beautiful. If you go to... Ang ganda rin. Cute. Juneau, Alaska. Saan natin siya lalagay? Dito na lang muna siya sa baba hanggang mahanapan siya ng space. Okay, tago ka muna dyan. On the other side, do we still have some new things? Of course, Hawaii, Mazatlan, Mexico, San Diego. Oh, this one. This one's in Victoria, Canada. And this is, I think, Seattle. There's the Spice Needle. South Beach. Oh, Costa Maya. Akala ko Costa Rica. I said I've never been to Costa Rica. Of course. Roatan, Honduras. That was a few months ago. I went there on a cruise. Oh my God, I love Cambodia and Angkor Wat, really, for real. These are from the Rainbow Bridge. I think that's is it in Arches or in Arizona? Yeah. And this is the official flower, I think, of California. The poppies. Maybe we could go there when it's in bloom. I think it's already done. Okay. That's my collection. So the rule for my collection is I should have been there already. And I'll buy the item there. So when people give me gifts like this, and I've never been to that place, hindi ko muna siya nilalagay. Unless if you give me a San Francisco, I've been there, so pwede ko nang ilagay. Pero places that I've never been there, hindi ko muna siya nilalagay. Okay. Thanks guys. I'm sharing something that I like. Ang pinakamaganda for refrigerator magnets is they're cheap, they're good souvenirs, hindi sila bulky. So you can keep them. And cute. The airplanes. It's Japan Airlines. One of the best airlines I've ever ridden going to the Philippines. Ah, ang ganda naman ito. Vietnam. So cute. So, this is my travel trip. You can do cups or mugs. But me, I do this. Because it's cheap. You can see it. It's on display. Saka hindi nakakadumi ng bahay. Hindi tambang-tambang. Okay. Bye.